So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So officially driver. Okay. So first you have to come on this www.gigabyte.com. Now you can see here the search button. Then you type your model number Z890 Eagle and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then you can see this is title of your motherboard name, and just click on that. Then click guys support. Select your operating system which is your driver required, because I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so you can almost installation process same. You just see this video and install in the Windows 11. Okay, so audio driver, SD Realtek audio driver, and this is size. You just click to download. After click to download, you can see here downloading start here. So it is done. 565, just single click open, which is downloaded. And this is guys extract file. If you have to select this and extract to specific folder, otherwise you don't need, you have to install directly. You just double click to file. Now this is copy, and after that extracts to your system, and then start downloading. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installations start. So guys, it will close automatically, means this is installed.